Giga Shanghai Phase 2 is huge work. My friend Chao Zhu today shared these fresh images that I'm about to show you from Giga Shanghai, showing how the Phase 2 work is progressing. Chao sent this Giga Shanghai Phase 2 news update today and took these pictures this morning. Chao lives in Shanghai, not too far from Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory 3, and has been sending regular news updates from the Giga Shanghai via his Twitter account. He says the Giga Shanghai's Phase 1.5 and Phase 2 are under construction with fast speed. I honestly don't know what he means by Phase 1.5 and Phase 1.5, but Phase 2 makes good sense because it's a continuation of the Phase 1, which is completed and cars being produced. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel, ring the bell and like this video to show your appreciation of Chao's dedicated work, bringing us news updates from Giga Shanghai.
As I have been daily reporting news updates from Giga Berlin and sometimes from even Giga Shanghai, I have heard many people talking about Giga Berlin's construction speed. Right now, we can say that the Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai's Phase 2 start approximately the same time. Now I see people commenting on Twitter talking which of these gigafactories will finish sooner or build faster. I want to bring 3 points here. First of all, Tesla is not after the speed in terms of competing between its own 2 gigafactories. Tesla Giga Shanghai is not going to compete against Tesla Giga Berlin. Second, we want Tesla contractors to build a safe Gigafactory. We want Tesla contractors both in Berlin and in Shanghai and in other places to build safe factories, a safe place for the Tesla employees to work. Do you agree with me? If yes, let me know in the comments. Therefore, there is no need for rushing. There is no need to speed up. There is no need to compete with one another and say, hey, let's see which one will finish faster. And the third, each country has its own laws, has its own red tapes. Each country has its own construction regulations and permit regulations. Certain things may move faster in China, while other things may move faster in Germany. Thus, it's not fair to compete in terms of speed of building one gigafactory against the other gigafactory. The aggressive build-out of Tesla's China Gigafactory, Giga Shanghai, has become famous all around the world. The speed with which the area went from a former watermelon plantation to an operational car factory is largely unparalleled. Now, Chinese reports reveal that Tesla has begun constructing of Giga Shanghai Phase 2. Something really big is happening at Giga Shanghai, as you can see from these images. Moreover, there is a lot of activity visible at the site itself, with numerous trucks entering and coming out, cranes and other construction vehicles present at the construction site of Giga Shanghai, which is the Gigafactory 3. There is also a sizable amount of concrete pipes besides the site, indicating that pipe laying work will soon commence. Additionally, there is an empty concrete pad in front of the principal site with an unknown purpose. Jason Young, who has been sending regular China Gigafactory updates through his YouTube channel, suggests that this new major construction work is the third phase of Tesla's Chinese Gigafactory. However, this is likely technically Tesla's Phase 2 of the construction, seeing as the battery and powertrain building is known as Phase 1.5, as Chao mentioned above. This comes as the battery and powertrain building is practically an extension of Giga Shanghai Phase 1. Phase 1 was, of course, the construction of the massive building housing the Made in China Model 3 assembly line. In January of this year, Elon Musk said that Tesla was officially launching the Made in China Model Y program. Moreover, Tesla plans to dramatically expand its factory to accomplish this, essentially doubling vehicle production capacity at the site. The following piece of concrete art was originally shared by the Twitter user Giga Shanghai in November of 2019. Chao Zhu also sends these pictures, and although it is clear that these plans are no longer entirely accurate, as the battery and powertrain building assembly isn't in the concept art, this provides valuable insight into the final layout of Giga Shanghai. Perhaps most notably, it suggests that the Model 3 and Model Y product lines will share the existing body panel stamping press. The Model 3 production building is highlighted with red in the concept art. Moreover, the building opposite to this is the one now beginning construction. It is also possible that the existing battery and powertrain building will eventually extend to become the building seen next to the body panel stamping press workshop. Phase 2 could double global Tesla Model Y production. As such, it seems like that Giga Shanghai Phase 2 will construct the factory's manufacturing section for the Model Y. This comes as Tesla Model Y production is well underway in the United States at Tesla's Fremont factory, and Tesla's Giga Berlin could soon see its official groundbreaking around Easter. Bringing Model Y production to China through Giga Shanghai Phase 2 will ostensibly double Tesla's Model Y production capacity. The Chinese Gigafactory saw some setbacks after the outbreak of the virus. Now, however, the facility is back to producing Model 3s. We have a video on this channel at Torque News where you can see how Tesla has been coming back after briefly stopping the production of Model 3 and has resumed the work at full speed. Tesla has not made any public comments regarding Giga Shanghai Phase 2 construction. Nevertheless, it is possible that Tesla will not comment on details of the matter after already launching the China Model Y program. It appears that Tesla China has achieved a notable milestone with the construction of its Giga Shanghai facility. As indicated in recent photos from the factory's construction site, the first pillar of the Phase 2 building was successfully installed on last Sunday. This hints that the construction of the Phase 2 zone could accelerate significantly in the months to come. Interestingly enough, the installation of Phase 2's first pillars come just 2 days before the anniversary of Phase 1's first pillar installation. Tesla enthusiasts who have been following the progress of Giga Shanghai since its initial ground leveling activities back in 2018 would remember that Giga Shanghai's construction was expedited to a great degree following the installation of Phase 1's first pillar, which happened on March 17, today of 2019. Well, friends, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the Phase 2 developments at Giga Shanghai, Gigafactory 3. And like this video, please subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you may be notified when I upload my next update about Gigafactory in Shanghai, in Berlin, Model 3 and electric cars in general. Thanks for staying with us and have a blessed rest of the day. See you next time.